Hi, and welcome to Let the Baking Begin. Today, I'll show you how to make these delicious puff pastry tarts filled with cheesecake filling, berry center, fresh berries, and chocolate ganache as a garnish. Let's start by cutting out 2.5-inch circles from partially frozen puff pastry dough. Then, use a smaller 1 3/4 inch diameter cookie cutout to partially press in the center. Brush the tops with egg wash and press the wet part into the sugar. Dock the centers with a fork and bake at 430 degrees for 18 minutes. As soon as the tarts are out of the oven, press the center down to create a tart with borders. Meanwhile, create a chocolate ganache by bringing heavy cream to a boil. Then add the chocolate chips, let them sit for a second, then stir until smooth. Fill the tarts with ganache by adding about a teaspoon of ganache to the center and then spreading it around. Next, let's make the raspberry sauce for the center. In a saucepan, mix half the pureed raspberries, add the sugar and cornstarch, and cook over medium heat, stirring vigorously to prevent scorching until it comes to a boil. Then cook for 30 seconds to allow the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Now add the remaining raspberries, stir, and allow to cool completely. Next, let's make the cheesecake filling. In a stand mixer fitted with a whip attachment, whip the cold cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Then drizzle in the heavy cream and continue whipping until the mixture is thick and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and mix it in. Pipe the cream cheese filling in a large dollop inside each tart. Then pipe the raspberry filling inside the cheesecake filling like shown. Garnish with berries of choice and drizzle with the remaining chocolate ganache as a garnish. Refrigerate the tarts until you're ready to enjoy them, or freeze them for 30 minutes before serving. Find a full detailed recipe on letthebakingbegin.com.